there are so many questions related to this figure y square is equal to 4x or parabola. Just like this, depending on all the types of models, for every conic section we can have such answers and questions. Let us now complete the different models on parabola. One more thing, the area bounded between y square is equal to 4ax and y is equal to mx, both a greater than 0, m greater than 0. Y square is equal to 4ax and y is equal to mx. It is interesting to note, the previous answer was 8a square by 3, you know. Here we will be having 8a square by 3m cube extra. That's all. By the way, what is the pictorial appearance of this area? Let us x-axis and y-axis. Y square is equal to 4x and y is equal to mx. This line is y is equal to mx. So we are supposed to have this area. One is f of x, that is parabola, and another is g of x, that is y is equal to mx. So to have this area, we need to have this point. So first of all, you may have to solve them. You may have to know where they do meet. Y square is equal to 4x and y is equal to mx. They meet at, come on, substitute mx in the place of y. M square x square is equal to 4ax. Or, isn't it? M square x square is equal to 4x, x is equal to 4a by m square, or 0. If x is 0, no problem, the point of intersection is 0, 0. If x is not 0, x can be cancelled, so that x is 4a by m square. Good. We could have noted this point is x is 4a by m square. 4a by m square, x value is. Therefore, required area is integral 0 to 4a by m square. The upper part is root 4ax, the lower part is mx. Okay, this is equal to root 4a means 2 root a into integral 0 to 4a by m square root x dx minus m into integral 0 to 4a by m square x dx. I could have split into two integrals. Okay, then what is going to happen? 2 root a into, what is the integral of root x? 2 by 3 x root x between the limits 0 to 4a by m square minus m into, what is integral of x? X square by 2 between the limits 0 to 4a by m square. Okay, 2 root a into 2, 4 root a. 4 root a by 3 into x root x, 4a by m square into root of that 2 root a by m minus m by 2 into x square means 16a square by m power 4 minus 0. Okay, let us get it simplified. Root a into root a into a square. 4 4s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 a square by 3m cube. Come here. 16 by 2 is 8. M by m power 4 is by m cube. So 8a square by m cube. 8a square by m cube. Let me get 8a square by m cube as a common factor. What is going to happen? 4 by 3 minus 1. What is 4 by 3 minus 1? It is just nothing but 1 by 3. Hence, that is 8a square by 3m cube. 8a square by 3m cube, that is the answer. 8a square by 3m cube, so many square units. Well, my dear, we could have already seen that answer 8a square by 3. Could you remember it? What is that? Area of the parabola between its lateral rectum is 8a square by 3. In that answer, you just adjoin m cube in the denominator. Then this answer will become. Well, what happens when m is minus? That is, m is negative. If y is equal to minus 2x is given, then instead of m cube, we write mod m cube. That's all. Nothing more than that. No question of any other changes. So, answer is 8a square by 3m cube. And we can state it as a general result also. Y square is equal to 4x and y is equal to mx, m not equal to 0 is the answer. 8a square by 3 into mod m cube. So many square units. And beautifully, this answer is also a reusable question and reusable answer. Reusability is there. That is why it is a standard answer. Let us make a good practice over that formula. Whereby, what is its area? The area bounded between y square is equal to 4x and y is equal to mx is 8a square by 3 into 1 by m cube or mod m cube. That is the answer. Well, let us exercise on that. Suppose the parabola given is y square is equal to 8x and the line given is y is equal to 5x. What is the area? What is the area? Required area is equal to 8a square. A square. What is a square? What is a here? 4a is 8. So a is 2. 8a square by 3 into 1 by m cube. That is 125. That is 125. Hence, the total answer is 32 by, what is it? 375 square units. One more application. Given parabola is y square is equal to 3x and the line given is y is equal to 4x. What is the answer? Here, what is a? Here, what is a? 4a is equal to 3. Hence, a is 3 by 4. And m is 4. And m is 4. Y is equal to mx. So, what happens to the required area is equal to 8a square by 3m cube, isn't it? Here 3 square is there, here 3 is there. 1 3 will be cancelled. So that the numerator is 24 by, it is 4 square, it is 4 cube, altogether 4 power 5. 4 power 5 and of course 1 4 can be cancelled. So that it is 12 by 4 power 4. You can cancel still one more 4. 3 by 4 cube. 3 by 4 cube. 3 by 64. So many square units is the answer. As like this, we can have a very good practice over this formula. So you please keep that in your mind. The answer is 8a square by 3m cube. And it is wise to have mod m cube. Who knows? He may give you y plus 2x is equal to 0 or y is equal to minus 2x. In that case, m is equal to minus 2, isn't it? And then we have it is a mod m cube. So many square units. Now we shall see a similar question. That is, the parabola given is x square is equal to 4ay and the line given is y is equal to mx. Here the answer becomes 8a square by 3 is common, no problem. But previously we could have had m cube in the denominator, but we shall now have m cube in the numerator. That is the change here. And I shall just give you the pictorial explanation only. You can easily calculate, of course. Come on. This is the line y is equal to mx and this is the parabola x square is equal to 4ay. And we require to have the answer, we require the area shaded like this. For this also we need to have this point. For that you will have to solve them. How? X square is equal to 4ay and y is equal to mx. Meet at x square is equal to 4a into mx. Of course, if x is 0, 0, 0 is 1 point. If x is not 0, cancel x. X is equal to 4am and x is equal to 0 are the 2 points of intersection. This point is, of course, one point is origin, and here what is x? 4am. 4am. Come on, you can easily trace the area. Required area is equal to integral 0 to 4am. The upper part is the straight line, mx, minus lower part is the parabola. What is y? X square by 4a dx. And you get it simplified. So that the answer is 8a square m cube by 3. It's not impossible. We can do that. This is equal to m into x square by 2 between the limit 0 to 4am minus 1 by 4a into x cube by 3 between the limits 0 to 4am. What happens? This is therefore m by 2 into 4am whole square, 16a square m square minus 1 by 12a into 4am whole cube, 64a cube m cube. All together 8a square m cube minus, you can cancel 4 here, 16 times 3 times, 16a square m cube by 3. A cube by a square is a cube by a is a square. So 64 by 12 means 4 you can cancel, 16 by 3. Now 24 minus 16, 8a square m cube by 3, so many square units. Well, my dear, there has been a very little difference between the answers when the parabola is y square is equal to 4ax and the parabola is x square is equal to 4ay. With the intersection of the line y is equal to mx. One answer is simply 8a square by 3m cube. In the denominator, m cube will be there. And the second answer is 8a square by 3 into m cube. M cube lies in the numerator. And as usual, if m is negative, that is if the line is y is equal to minus 2x, then as we are finding the area, we just take mod m cube. That's all. So for both the types of parabolas, we are able to have the answers of the areas intersected with the line y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx. We are now coming to deal with a standard, one of the most popular problems, or rather answers also. That is area bounded between two different parabolae. One is y square is equal x square is equal to y square is equal to 4x and another is x square is equal to 4by. The area bounded between y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4by. Everybody knows the answer, 16ab by 3. Such a famous result it is. Answer is 16ab by 3. And of course, we shall now derive it. The way of deriving it will be a good exercise for us to obtain the limits at proper places and proper limits. Well, let us first observe the diagram. This is the parabola y square is equal to 4x and this is the parabola x square is equal to 4by. And this is of course the heroine of the problem, isn't it? Yes, of course, we are discussing about that area. And to find that particular area, we need to have this point. We should absolutely know that point. How to know it? You just simply solve them. How? Y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4by meet at. From this, y is equal to x square by 4b, isn't it? X square by 4b whole square is equal to 4ax. That is, x power 4 is equal to 64ab square x. I think you could have followed. X power 4, 16b square. 16 into 4, 64b square. A into x. So, one option is there x equal to 0. If x is 0, automatically the point of intersection is 0, 0. Implies x is equal to 0 or x cube is equal to 64ab square. That is, x is equal to 4 into a power 1 by 3 into b power 2 by 3. That is x. Similarly, if you proceed, y is equal to 4 into a power 2 by 3 b power 1 by 3. By symmetry, you can easily imagine. Rather, you can find if you want. But actually speaking, to find the area, we need not have this y. It is enough. So, the limits of integration will be 0 to 4 a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3. This is the point. Well, that is the picture. You please note down the point of intersection in your mind. I shall be going to delete this on the board. Okay, friend. Required area is equal to integral 0 to 4 a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3 which curve lies at the upper part and which curve lies at the lower part, you decide. This part is y square is equal to 4x, isn't it? So y is equal to root 4ax. This part is x square is equal to 4by. It is x square by 4b dx. Okay. What is its integral? This is equal to root 4a means 2 root a into integral 0 to 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3 root x dx minus 1 by 4b into integral 0 to 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3 of x square dx. This is 2 root a into, what is the integral of root x? 2 by 3 into x root x, that is 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2. So 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 between the limits 0 to 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3. 1 by 4b into x cube by 3 between the limits 0 to 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3. All together this is 2 root a into 2, 4 root a, 4 root a by 3 into, you put here 4 a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3 whole power 3 by 2 minus 0. It makes no sense at all. Okay, this is minus 1 by 12b into 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3 whole cube. Whole cube. Well, I like to remove the graph so that I can utilize some space. You please follow the graph carefully. I am going to rub it off. So it is 4 root a by 3 into, what is 4? 2 square. 2 square power 3 by 2. It's nothing but 2 cube is 8. A power 1 by 3 whole power 3 by 2. 3 go away, leaving you a power half. A power half is root a. B power 2 by 3 whole power 3 by 2. 2 3 go away, leaving you b minus 1 by 12b into, come on, 4 cube 64. A power 1 by 3 whole cube a. B power 2 by 3 whole cube b square. B power 2 by 3 whole cube is b square. Well done. It is 4 8s are 32. 32 by 3 root a and root a, that is a b minus 64 by 12. You can cancel 1 4, so that it is 16 by 3. 1b will be cancelled, ab. 32ab by 3 minus 16ab by 3 is just nothing but 16ab by 3. That is the answer. That is the famous answer, of course. The area bounded between the two parabolas x square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4by is just nothing but 16ab by 3, so many square units. So many square units. Yes. You please observe. Why is it so important and popular? If you just change the values of a and b, you can reuse the answer for as many number of times as you like. That is why this works as a formula to have the area bounded between two parabolas is 16ab by 3, so many square units. Let us have a look over such type of applications of this formula now. What is the area? bounded between these two parabolas. The next question before us is this: y square is equal to 8x and x square is equal to 4y. Y square is equal to 4x, 4a is 8, hence a is equal to 2. 4b is 4, so b is 1. Therefore, answer is 16ab by 3, that is 32 by 3, so many square units. So many square units. Another standard question which was asked in one question paper regarding JEE is x is equal to y square and y is equal to x square. What is the answer? Area bounded between these two parabolas. This was asked previously, a famous question. What is the area between the two parabolas x is equal to y square and y is equal to x square? A square is equal to 4ax, 4a is 1, so a is equal to 1 by 4 and b is also 1 by 4. Therefore, the answer is, come on, 16ab by 3. 16 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 whole divided by 3. That gives you just 1 by 3. That gives you just 1 by 3. That is the area bounded between the two parabolas x is equal to y square and y is equal to x square. Likewise, you can apply as many times as you want and as you can, as you need. Yes. So, the famous answer is 16ab by 3. Y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay. Both are having same length of lattice rectum, 4a, 4e. Okay. In this case, what will be the area? 16ab by 3. 16. In the place of a, we have a. And in the place of b also we have a. So, answer is 16a square by 3. 16a square by 3. 16a square by 3. Good. Next. X square is equal to 4ay. Y square is equal to 4ax. These are two curves. Y square is equal to 4ax and its lattice rectum. These are two curves. Actually, the main question which was given in one examination regarding JEE is the ratio of the two areas. The first area is the area bounded between these two parabolas, and the second one is the area between the parabola y square equal to 4x and its lattice rectum. What is its ratio? What is the ratio of the areas? He is asking. Actually speaking, you may have to do individually. But we could have already done, and we have noticed that those answers are very famous and important. We are supposed to keep them in our mind. We know them. We can read out the answers immediately. This answer is 16a square by 3. And that answer is 8a square by 3. We are asked to have the ratio between them so that a square by 3 will be cancelled on both the sides. 16 by 8 is just nothing but 2:1. What is the required ratio? 2:1. Well, so in making an attempt to such questions, these answers will help us a lot. That is why we generally say, please remember those answers and please remember those. You don't call them answers, they are results. Such type of results are going to be used in making an attack on such questions which appear on the board. Here, the required ratio is 2:1. We take special interest in finding the area bounded between these two parabolas written on the board. Observe the parabolas. One is y square is equal to 4a into x plus a, and the other is y square is equal to 4b into x minus b. 4b into, just a minute, a small mistake has been given in the taking the data 4b into b minus x he has given. 4b into b minus x he has given. So if you can get minus out, it is minus 4b into x minus b. So that is a parabola open leftwards, and this is a parabola open rightwards. We can see easily the graph of the two functions. What is the vertex of this parabola? Minus a 0. Like this it may be. What is the vertex of this parabola? Minus of x minus b. It is b0. So it will be somewhere else here. The parabola will be this is b0. This is minus a0. And of course we want to have the area bounded between these two. One is looking towards that side, another is looking towards this side. Both have the same axis. Of course, x-axis is the axis of the parabolas. What will be the area? No doubt we need to have these 2 points of intersection. Unless or otherwise, it might be difficult to have the area. Let me name this some P, this Q. So one thing is evident, it is clear, very clear. Unless you know P and Q, it is not an easy job to find the area. So we need to have P and Q. How to get P and Q? Look here. Y square is equal to 4a into x plus a. Y square is equal to 4b into b minus x. Meet at, when do they meet and where do they meet? 4a into x plus a is equal to 4b into b minus x. Okay, ax plus a square is equal to b square minus bx. So ax plus bx is equal to b square minus a square. That is b minus a into b plus a. If you divide a plus b with a plus b, then what happens? X is equal to b minus a. Isn't it? X is equal to b minus a. And if you put x is equal to b minus a and minus a will be cancelled, 4ab, y square is equal to 4ab. Then y is equal to plus or minus 2 root ab. So y is equal to plus or minus 2 root ab. Therefore, from this you can have p is equal to b minus a comma 2 root ab, and q is equal to b minus a comma minus 2 root ab. Well done, we have got what we required. We could have estimated the 2 points P and Q. Of course, by the symmetric nature of the two parabolas, this area and this area are same. This area and this area are same. Even though you require this entire area, we just find this area and this area. This area will be same as this. So required area is 2 into area of this area, area of this region. We are now going to do that. So for that purpose, I need this space. Please follow the steps carefully and keep them in your mind or note it somewhere else. Therefore, required area is equal to come on friend, 2 into first part minus a to, what is this point B actually? B minus a comma 2 root AB. So this point is B minus a comma 0. Minus a to B minus a of what is this curve? What is this curve? Y square is equal to 4a into x plus a. So y is equal to root 4a into x plus a dx plus this part. He has given that y square is equal to 4b into b minus x. So integral, what will be the limits for this integral? B minus a to b. B minus a to b root of 4b into b minus x dx. That is the required integral. So that it is 2 into, come on, 4a, root 4a means 2 root a into integral minus a to b minus a root x plus a dx. Here 2 root b plus 2 root b into integral b minus a to b, come on, root b minus x dx. Let us simplify it. For the first part, 2 into 2 root a, 4 root a. What is the integral of this? 2 by 3 into x plus a whole to the power of 3 by 2 whole between the limits minus a to b minus a plus 2 into 2 root b, 4 root b. 4 root b into, what is its integral? 2 by 3 into b minus x whole to the power of 3 by 2 by minus 1, don't forget it. Here it is b minus x between the limits b minus a to b. B minus a to b. Well, let us observe the answers after getting substituted the limits. 4a into 2 by 3 is nothing but 8a to 8 root a by 3. 8 root a by 3 into, if you put b minus a here, b minus a plus a and a will be cancelled, leaving you b only. B power 3 by 2, b power 3 by 2 is nothing but b root b. If you put minus a plus a is 0, 0 power 3 by 2 is 0, nothing happens. You can stop there. Plus, what happens to this case? Here minus symbol is there. Minus of this is, that becomes again minus. So it is minus 4 into 2. 8 root b by 3 into, now you think of, if you put b minus b, 0. 0 power 3 by 2, 0. Minus, if you put b minus a, b minus of b minus a is a. A power 3 by 2 is a root a. Is a root a. Ultimately, it is 8 root a root b by 3. 8 root b root a by 3. You can get as a common factor. Eight root a root b into b by 3 minus of minus plus 8 root b into a root a by 3. From these two we can get 8 by 3 into root ab as a common factor. You will be able to have b plus a, or of course a plus b, so many square units. That is the answer for that question. 8 by 3 root ab into a plus b, so many square units. Of course, the reusability of this problem or this answer is somewhat a rare aspect. Yes, this is a special problem, that's all. You need not remember the answer, but you have to understand the style of producing the answer and the style of getting the points P and Q and the limits of integration you must take care of.